Hi, Rep Bayless here with the Processing Point. Welcome back. Today we're going to take a quick look at check verification, what it is and whether or not you should integrate it with your business. I know, you're sitting there thinking to yourself, what do I need to know about checks for? Nobody uses checks anymore. It's either plastic or electronic. Paper checks are gone. Well, if you take a quick look at the 2010 study done by the Federal Reserve Board, you'll quickly find out that checks accounted for $31.6 trillion in non-cash payments over the last year in the United States alone. Now, to put that in perspective, that is 22% of the total non-cash payments in the United States. So checks are obviously still a pretty vibrant part of our economy. Now, why should you integrate check verification service with your business? Well, there's three good reasons. The first is it can greatly streamline your day. No more organizing deposits and trips to the bank. The second is it's going to greatly reduce your risk for bounce checks. And the third is it has been proven time and time again that the more different payment methods you offer your customers, the more likely you are going to get sales conversions, increasing the number of sales you have and the sales volume for each of those sales. So what is check verification and what is it not? Let's have a look at that. So the way check verification service works is when a customer presents you with a check, that information is instantly cross-referenced with a database of recent bad check writers. Now, if your customer's on that database, then of course your transaction is declined. However, if they're not on the database, then of course it's approved. Now, it is very, very important to note that check verification service does not verify the funds in the check writer's account. Therefore, it is not a check guarantee service. That is something different. However, check verification service will greatly reduce the amount of bounce checks that your business will encounter. Now, as far as cost goes, it is much less expensive than credit card processing. Typical check verification service will probably run you around 1.25% and 15 cents per transaction, and it will probably have its own statement fee. Industry average is about 10 bucks. Now, as far as integrating it into your business is concerned, if you're a retail brick and mortar business, you're probably going to want to utilize what's called a check scanner. That will actually scan the check and send the information off to the database for verification, and at the same time make you a copy of the check for your records. Now, if you're an e-commerce person and you'd like to incorporate it as a payment option for your online customers, check verification service is very easy to integrate with almost any secure gateway on the market. So a couple keystrokes and you'll be ready to go there. This has been Rep Bayless with the Processing Point. I look forward to seeing you next time. In the meantime, leave your comments or questions below. We really look forward to hearing back from you. And jump over to Facebook and give the Merchant Doctor a like so that you can be a part of the Merchant Doctor revolution.